The Alpena Community College Nursing Program is designed to equip our students with the knowledge, skills, and expertise needed to thrive in one of the most rewarding and impactful careers. Our program is not just about learning how to care for others. It's about becoming a leader, an advocate, and a champion for health and wellness in our communities. Here at ACC, we offer a comprehensive nursing curriculum that blends rigorous academic training with hands-on clinical experience. Students learn from experienced faculty dedicated to student success. Our state-of-the-art facilities and simulation labs ensure our students are prepared for real-world challenges, providing them with the confidence to handle diverse patient care scenarios. Whether you're interested in working in hospitals or community health settings, our ACC nursing programs offer the foundation and flexibility to meet your goals. Our registered nurse and licensed practical nursing programs are offered at our Alpena and Oscoda campuses. Apply now and start your nursing career today.